everyone, it's us again, and we're firing at the bad guys. And the bad guys are talking. I think they've died. Guys, are you okay?
If you're gonna do something the best I am, you gotta have some Bam!
Where the F did you get that?
It was just $2. So, thank you for watching, and I'll murder the pigs again if they wake up. Shut up! So, I guess you can subscribe or something, like the video, and leave a comment below. And now the fucking lady.
Shut up your little tiny voice. Get your ass out of here.
No, I dedicate my life to being a little baby.
Okay, that's a little enough, little guy.
No, it's not.
Don't make me.
Do what?
Here's your leash.
Whoa, no! Hey, you aren't fair. You're not being fair.
Come on, let's go to your room.
No!
Oh, I guess that's finished. So, ugh. Oh, this is probably not the funny. Remember, at the start, let's talk. Only the gophers talking.